The Airbus A380 is a large wide-body airliner that was developed and produced by Airbus. It is the world's largest passenger airliner and only full-length double-deck jet airliner. The Airbus A380 can be configured with different seat plans depending on the airline's preferences. All Nippon Airways, also known as ANA, NH, is a Japanese carrier and member of the Star Alliance. It operates from primary hubs at Tokyo's Haneda International Airport, HND, and Narita International Airport, NRT, and secondary hubs at Osaka's Kansai International Airport, KIX, and Itami Airport, ITM. ANA subsidiaries include regional airline ANA Wings, A, and low-cost carriers Air Do, HD, and Vanilla Air, JW. ANA flies to more than 70 destinations in Asia, Oceania, Europe and North America. It also has code-share arrangements with 5 domestic carriers and 27 international airlines. ANA flies to more than 70 destinations in Asia, Oceania, Europe and North America. It also has code-share arrangements with 5 domestic carriers and 27 international airlines. Seats details of ANA 380 Airbus. It has 56 business, 343 economy, 8 first, 73 premium economy,